Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as it drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start with today's show. I don't wait, tire for Ateta press conference. You know, going to come on time. So well, I say make I record the show, Jerry. Maybe if we later come out, yeah, I go still address them before evening because I be want know who they available for the match we will play tomorrow because Ateta is expected to do press conference today. Yeah, so now waiting I want to know, but as never come, we could proceed. Now, Pep Guardiola for your own press conference, no say then go play today. Man City go play Brighton. So equally just say their injuries don't actually carry the title to give us now. Like the thing na like a big blow to them. So the Metro carried the report. So when I read the report, I just laughed. You get see, Pep Guardiola confirms devastating Man City blow to hand title boost to Arsenal. You get the truth is, Man City go still not let anybody deceive you. Man City go still enter market, go buy players. That one I'm sure. I don't think they will end with Semenyo. I know. I believe say they will still buy. In fact, I would even argue that Semenyo no be the really problem wey dem get gone. Their major problem na defense. But then they go buy attack because wetin Pep wan do na say, okay, our defense no good, no wahala. So we go try to outscore you. That's the only thing wey dem fit do. Na wetin Baka dey take survive? Outscoring people. Baka defense sef no dey that tight. You get? That's why you go see say when Baka play, you go get chances to score Baka. But Baka believe say at the end of the day, highest go be 3-2, or it go be 4-3, or it go be 5-4. You get? They go sha outscore you. So now that mentality, Pep dey feel say they no go fit address the defensive problems now, and risk dey involved. If you go pack like 3-4 defenders come now, when everybody come dey okay, how are you going to manage this mammoth squad that you now have all of a sudden? So that's why they go fit see how they go take ride the wave. Instead, they go bring in maybe one or two defenders, get then they go bring in attacking players. Like this Semenyo wey don come now. Then by the time wey Jeremy, because Jeremy Doku never dey inform, like never dey fit enough sef. By the time when that one come dey, they go come be say, okay, oh yeah, nothing dey sup. Haaland dey, get everybody dey. We go try to outscore now. By the time Mamouche sef go come back, get. So if you look say City squad, you go see say that squad na die. Oscar Bob sef when he go come back, get. But no be so football be. Get injury must always happen. Na their turn, so make them ride the wave. Who don't ride our own wave? So the argument of their injuries have given the title to Arsenal. Yes, it is valid because when we say face our own injury last season, now the injury majorly, now he carry the title to give Liverpool. That argument will always be there. You get so na normal level. If we win the league at the end of the day, people will always say na because Man City gets injury. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Who could win am? Whatever narrative una wan use console una sef, feel free. You get the same way Liverpool fans go say na because Isak, come on time, him break him leg. Na because Diogo Jota die. Different narrative go fly. If dem no go give us that thing say we deserve am. I dey tell you for free for you to know how much dem hate us reach. Dem no go give you say Arsenal deserve the thing, or Arsenal play well, Arsenal score well, Arsenal do this, Arsenal do that. No, they go say na because Diogo Jota die, say na because Trent Alexander-Arnold comot, na because Darwin Núñez no dey, na because Luis Diaz japa. They go give you all form of. At the end of the day, who cares, bro? Nobody care, not me. Now away from that, so I can't see this. I think it was Pep. I mean, which person be that? Somebody that they put in picture. Why this year? Okay, don't be Pep self na Semenyo. So let's say here we go. Man City agreement to sign to Semenyo for 65 million. Man City already triggered the thing. Everywhere stew. Fabrizio Romano already do. Here we go. Although the player I think is still expected to play his final game against Tottenham Hotspur. I think tonight. So after the match, then he go move on Thursday. Thursday everywhere go good. Now, according to the say Manchester United won't recall Rashford. So the new coach they believe say maybe they feel recall the guy because Baka said no get plan to sign him at the end of the day. Baka they say based on money no really day, Baka get financial wobbles where in the face you get. So at the end only gonna social saying go like to bring the guy back because during your own first stint at Manchester United, Rashford was doing very, very well. Okay, but I don't think they have the power to just call him midweek. Okay, I say midweek, that midway through alone. Like, it don't really make sense now, but we'll just watch her. Now, you know that board where that message where they circulate for Manchester United, I can't get the full message. Now, Khabib, maybe one of all these UFC fighters, so he come visit, maybe Nigeria and he visit. So as he visit, they come snap picture. This na training ground, though, no be like the Man City like pitch or there, but na the training. So for that training, na there that board dey. So Eliala and I post am when he snap picture with Khabib, so he put mentality. So people can zoom that board. I don't know how they zoom that thing. They see everything. They zoom the board. So I think Sky Sports can carry on. Now the Sky Sports can put the full message ready for that, because the one who process the nobody the full message. So the pressure, the chaos, the difficulties, we've been here before, pushed to the absolute limit and still taking everything. That has always been our spirit. We don't fold, we don't panic, we don't quit, we adapt, we respond, we turn setbacks, change situations, because that's what we do. We are not weaklings, we are Manchester City Football Club. This season, sir, una be weaklings. Nothing anybody won't tell me. This season, e go shock una. E go shock una, you get? Because now they fight for draw. In fact, wetin dey come for front, Man City no go expect am. Wetin dey come for front? This injury wey do there na big injury o. No be small thing o, na big like gargantuan injury, you get? So wetin dey come for front? Still be say dem go drop points, as in people go still knack dem wetin no good because now they want to use Ale na wetin dem dey call that one with Nathan Ake. Na go be their centre back partnership, you get? Imagine when all Man City attackers don dey attack person, the opponent just collect ball, gbaa, counter attack, pa pa pa, Ake na dey there, Ale na dey there. Ale wey dem collect from, wey dem loan out to Watford, abi who be that? They come collect the guy back, papa. I dey smell goals, I dey see goals, you get? And thank God say their next matches now, they go play Manchester United very, very soon. They go still play Liverpool, though Liverpool sef don shalaski, but Liverpool still stand a fighting chance against this their weak defense, you get? So na all those things me I dey see. Forget all the mentality monster, mentality kini wey dem dey talk about, dagbe, you get? Other one no dey work. We sef, if you go Arsenal, make I burst your brain. If you go Arsenal training session, you go see our own board. Ora for ora, the one. We sef go get our own board. Our own motivational words dey there. Say like this, so we wan scatter everywhere. So na normal level everywhere. Everybody get motivational board. So make nobody. Me sef for this my office like this, I get my own motivational board wey I put here. No excuses. Na be my own board. No, like any day, anytime. Even if sleep still dey catch me, even if body no dey, I go still wake up and do the show. Unless maybe I get exam. No excuses, sir. Na the work people don say na who wan dey do like this. So no go dey bobo na only when I get board. Because I get my own board from my own office. Day one. Now, away from that, I can't wake up this morning when I dey do research. So I see the London Evening Standard, Transfer News Live, Arsenal I Livramento. Now, this particular Livramento guy, a lot of you will know him. He plays for Liverpool. He plays for Newcastle. He's a fullback. You get when the Man City sef dey pursue am, but they no really get am. So Arsenal I Livramento deal. Arsenal are keeping tabs on Newcastle fullback Sino Livramento. This is according to Football Transfers, who claim the England international has emerged as a leading target for the Gunners as it fits the profile Mikel Arteta and sporting director Andrea Berta are searching for. Though it is unclear if Arsenal will attempt to sign him in this January or wait for the summer. Now, what will they hear? So, Mr. Van, not really clear. But more just the wait. I believe so with time, we will get clarity on which last I wanted this guy do with time. Now, for Ancelot's press conference, he no really explicitly talk and say Ekitike no go dey available. But the head of injury for Liverpool don't give the general public hints. Say Ekitike no go dey available. For him own fantasy Premier League, him comot Ekitike put for bench, come put Igor Thiago. So people gon get this idea, say, for somebody like this, maybe insider, to make that kind of move for your own fantasy league team, that means Ekitike no go dey available. Either Ekitike no play the Arsenal match, or Ekitike go start from the bench. Me, I don already talk am before, say, there is no way you have a hamstring, and within this short period of time, you go say you wan come back. Highest thing wey go happen be say, you go dey bench. E just be like that time we wan play PSG wey dey say, Dembele get one hamstring injury. So Dembele is back. Baba, you don't start the game. Be like say from bench he come in, I mean no come at all. Sef. I can't really remember, but I know say he no start. So because the timing is too short. So they say Liverpool head of physiotherapy has appeared to drop a major hint over Hugo Ekitike's availability by dropping him from his fantasy Premier League team. Now, Lee Nobbs, let me be the guy name, who has been at the club since 2018 and from Man City in come here. He replaced the Frenchman in his lineup, sparking speculation that the striker will miss the side's game against Arsenal. So there's this speculation now. Although when you read the entirety of the report, they talk say Liverpool no go dey happy for wetin the Knobs do because nobody go want make their opponents know like the situation of things inside their club because this one are like the best news wey be say me I know say the guy no go dey me I don't know that one. Say highest na bench. I don talk am since yesterday, so I'm not really surprised that the Knobs is saying this. I'm not surprised. Now Mourinho sef come dey give Amorim advice. Say wetin really sup between Amorim and Manchester United na only Amorim go fit explain am. You get say what happened with Ruben is something that only Ruben can analyze. I believe he will do it. Him and his staff. Now, whether he will do it with you and make his views public, that I do not know. And not true. At the end of the day, now the guy go analyze that. The truth be say he already do the analysis. I did already talk and say, now he blame himself. Saying honesty too much. He was too open a book. That's why everything happened like that. Person wey dey wear im emotions on his sleeve. So now wetin really happen? So wetin Mourinho dey talk, it is spot on. The guy don already talk am. Now we come hear say the reason wey make Manchester United dey wait for end of the season na because many managers go dey available. Now remember say Oliver Glasner no gree sign Crystal Palace contract, which means he might be available at the end of the season. Although Glasner come dey talk say he can still sign in the next couple of days there will be a break. So he can still sign. So you know mean say maybe no one wants them. Now, the news wey come make me dey rethink. You know say based on wetin dey happen between Vinicius Junior and Real Madrid, no be say fans dey boo am now. Real Madrid go win 4-0, fans go boo Vinicius Junior. Why? In the last, I think 17 or 18 games, this guy never score, which is unlike him. Very, very unlike him. Mbappe don collect this guy shine. The guy know like he's a shadow of himself. So now, we come dey say Chelsea, the reason say they would like to go sign Vinicius Junior. So na him go be like the first signing wey dem wan dash Liam Rossini. You get? They're looking at offering 125 million for Vinicius Junior. Now, even though I go say the money too much, but at the same time, I go say this money not too much. Oh. What do you not think about Arsenal going for Vinicius Junior? Although the money go fit make us no even reason. I'm saying maybe 60, 70 million. It's still decent because I feel say this guy is a classic player. Now form no just dey. Okay, this is a perfect example. Said it just be like as Vinicius Junior dey now, make person come now say Vinicius Junior is not a natural winger because he no dey in form. Say now dey 17, 18 games and never score. One person go come now open in buka cavity say he's not a natural winger, forgetting wetin the guy don do in previous times. You understand me now? So now wetin me I dey see. So me personally, I think say if they go carry Vinicius Junior come for this Arsenal, make him activate that our left, it's going to be a massive upgrade on Martinelli. That one na my own feeling, but I know say you know no be move wey go dey easy based on the money wey dey involved. You get no be move wey go dey easy and the kind of salary wey him go dey command. If not, I for say make Arsenal go for am. Wetin una really think? You get because as in I know say Vinicius go dey available. No how. Once summer don reach, people go for am. Now Saliba made a statement in one interview where Saliba dey there, Matthew Skelly dey there. So the reporter come dey ask Saliba say, what would you say is your most iconic moment at Arsenal? Saliba say no be now. It's not now. Wait till the end of the season when we go lift trophies. Now that time go be the they don't see they see far. Aje, they see far. Saliba don't they visualize them as me always they visualize them. You know they see the ending from now. How it go be, how they go lift the trophy, how they go scatter London, enter all those top buses, patrol the whole London, make noise, snap picture, as in bust everywhere. Oh God, I just like the way the guy did answer that question. I watched the video. He said it's not now. It would be at the end of the season when we get some. You can just do that gesture of trophies, you know. But this guy they laugh. I said that is the mindset, bro. That's the mindset. And wallahi, it go happen. Say it go happen. Get how many matches to may not be 18 games to go. 6 points ahead. That 6 points good. In fact, then today me I dey pray bright thing. Me na run out for us. I beg. we could see one draw, we go carry and go, no yawa, nothing. Or when I beat themselves, let them know. Because Brighton themselves are very good side, wait a big whole ball. What is even they suit me? They say Brighton may get some problems for their midfield. They don't go carry Pascal Gross. We they sell through it before. But the way the guy is back for Dortmund, they go bring him back. Say, I beg, don't be annoyed that we sold you. Come back. Pascal Gross don't come back now. So I believe he's going to be playing today. Me, I go watch the game. I go watch him. You get the Etihad is no longer a fortress. There is no fear factor there. In fact, if anybody go beat Man City, this is the best time. This is the best time. I also put a caveat. That one no mean say Man City no go run riots for there. You get so, but two things can be true. Anything can happen tonight. Get for wetin go up. So we'll dey watch. Now, Thomas Frank, when they talk about how players they see Arsenal, they see Spurs, they see City, they see Liverpool, he can't confess. And the truth be say, Tottenham are not as attractive as Arsenal, City, and Liverpool. Say if them they go for player, and Arsenal they go for that same player, the player is like 9 out of 10 times going to pick Arsenal or Man City or Liverpool, and it happened with Eberichi easy. You get because Arsenal their project they more superior than waiting Tottenham Hotspur the offer. So Thomas Frank is saying Spurs are less attractive to new signings than Arsenal, Man City, and Liverpool. You get, and nobody go dey argue am. You get, although Spurs fans will say why go dey talk all those kind of things. You get, so that's just it. It's a, I think some of the boxes that you need to tick are the stadium, the training ground, and the potential. Where Spurs they lack now that potential. If na stadium, Spurs get very fantastic stadium. They just build new stadium now. If na training ground, fantastic training ground. But the potential to do what? To win trophies, to win things, you know the. So if we compete against the three teams that are clearly ahead of us, City, Arsenal, and Liverpool, unfortunately, then those three are probably more attractive right now. It's not the same that we can't attract some players that also want to go to this club. It depends on if there's a spot available for the player to play in those clubs compared to here. Now, the only way where they fit a win player be that. Say maybe the fit a player say for a year we go give you first 11, say. But you know, say if you fall inside Arsenal, Ajina, Benjamin, you just be like Kudus now. Kudus now say if you enter Arsenal and bench long, based on person wey dey there, Bukayo. Unless maybe they just try Kudus come dey burst net like just dey score. I think I go fit take the risk, but only God know that I go even do am because it come be like say Saka na the face of Arsenal. You get if dem bench Saka, even if Saka no dey form, even if Saka no score in like 5 games, they go still dey play am. Na just the truth, the sad truth, but e no suppose to be so, but na so e be. You get so that's why Kudus japa go Spurs where he enter first 11. So na the normal level be that. So now away from that, make we quickly bring you one message from one of our sponsors, Madam Adobe, who has this Turkish brand new furniture, beautiful and high quality furniture. They get complete sets available for sale. So they get 2 3-seater chairs, 2 single-seater chairs, 3 slide tables, 1 center table, big size dining table, 6 pieces of dining seats, 6 throw pillows. And if you're interested, get in touch with Madam Adobe on 080-206 02634 and the location at Shango Tedo, Lagos, Nigeria. Her number is at the bottom of the screen. So if you're interested, do give her a call ASAP. Now, also, we could bring you a message from Mobile World Associates and Co. Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 80646422 34, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. So if you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, Oliver Glasner don't open the door to Guehi leaving. He say he go dey lie, even tell you say Guehi no fit join Man City. Say he talk and say if Man City offer better offer like this now, and Guehi say okay, I want to go, and the club say the offer dey okay, Guehi go find square root. So nobody dey argue that one. I do when they talk. Now, away from that, I see wetin Rooney dey talk. Rooney say if Pep call am, say make him come be him assistant, Jason go run go. Say you know they see wetin Mikel Arteta dey do. Say wetin Arteta dey do na based on things wey he learn from Pep. And that himself, if he get opportunity, he go run go there because Pep na very high quality manager. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show and next. Like come your way later in the evening to give the evening news to them. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out. All right, guys. Bye.